is the BN dual outlet digital timer. So this thing has a bunch of different options, but basically you plug this into a wall and it has an outlet output and an output here, okay? This is like basically like your old-time timer, but just with updated LED screen here, or LCD screen, I'm sorry. It's fully programmable. You can see it's not plugged in because it has an internal battery. So the nice thing about that is if you lose power, it will still power your devices and not lose, you know, your program that you have in there. Now the programming is extremely flexible. All right, so you can, I had to like pull it up here. You can have a daily setting, 1 day specific setting, weekend, weekdays, Sundays excluded, Monday, Wednesday, Friday only, and Thursday, Tuesday, Saturday only, and more. And like you can pretty much control all of that within all of these buttons. You obviously have manual override, so if you want to turn something off and on, just manually you click the button, it turns it on. The other thing I noticed too, it has like a vacation mode. So vacation mode is like, it's random. So it'll turn lights on and off in your house or whatever this is plugged into. Let's say it's plugged into a light randomly, which is pretty cool. So when you go on vacation, it looks like somebody's home. Basically, that's what you're trying to portray there. So you can see here, you set the time. It's real simple. UL listed, grounded outlets. So you don't have to worry about anything, any issues. Nice reset button there. And you can see you have all your programming buttons here. You can basically program this to do whatever you want. All right, so this is the unit.